In the heart of Egypt lie the Great Pyramids of Giza. Erected over 4,500 years ago, these timeless structures were built without modern machinery. It is believed that the ancient Egyptians utilized ramps and manual labor to move the colossal limestone blocks, a testament to the exceptional ingenuity and perseverance of this civilization. Travel to the Fertile Crescent and be marveled by the ancient Sumerians and their invaluable contribution to history, the wheel. Dating to around 3500 BC, the invention of the wheel revolutionized transport and warfare, setting humanity on a course towards modernity. This remarkable feat of engineering remains at the core of our everyday lives, silently linking us to a world long gone but not forgotten. Step into the prehistoric caves of Lascaux in France and feast your eyes on some of the oldest recorded art. Renderings of large animals, such as bison and horses, adorn the walls, hand-painted by our ancestors nearly 17,000 years ago. The art illustrates the harmonious connection between humanity and nature, casting a light into the lives and beliefs of these Paleolithic artists. Sail across the Mediterranean Sea and bow before the magnificent Colosseum in Rome. Completed in 80 AD, the amphitheater was a stage for gladiator combat, heart-stopping spectacle, and an embodiment of the Roman Empire's might. Its innovative architecture and endurance through the centuries is a living testament to the prowess of ancient Roman engineers. Cross the Pacific and marvel at the Incan city of Machu Picchu, perched high in the Andes. Built in the 15th century, the city's sophisticated stone walls, terraces, and buildings blend seamlessly with the surrounding nature, demonstrating the Incan mastery of stonework and landscape. From pyramids, wheels, cave arts, colosseums to stone cities, the ancient world was abundant in innovation and culture. Unearthed facts shed light on the triumphs and trials of our ancestors, allowing us to plunge into the depth of history and unfurl the rich tapestry of our shared heritage. Enjoyed the video? Give it a like and hit subscribe to stay updated. Don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications on new releases. Thanks for watching.